Lewis Hamilton and Nico Rosberg are the top two choices to win the Canadian Grand Prix on Sunday, June 12th, which can be seen on NBC. Rosberg leads Hamilton by 24 points in the F1 standings heading into this week's race. The domination of Mercedes is being questioned this season, especially by Red Bull, who has Daniel Ricciardo and Max Verstappen making their marks. In the last two races, Red Bull has a win, a second place, and a pole position, and in reality, there should have been two wins as a bad pit stop by Ricciardo cost them a win in Monaco. There is no question that the new Renault engine that Red Bull is using has made a difference, and Ricciardo is looking like the next great driver in Formula One. Even with the upgraded engine, however, Red Bull is still slower than Mercedes. That may be a major problem in Montreal with the longer straights. It has not been good for Ferrari in the past two races in Spain and Monaco, and there are now questions as to whether or not Sebastian Vettel and Kimi Räikkönen can contend this season. The new challenger to Mercedes is Red Bull, not Ferrari. It has been so bad recently for Ferrari that they are struggling to stay ahead of weaker teams like Force India and Toro Rosso. Nico Rosberg is hoping that the bad luck he had in Monaco is now a thing of the past as he heads into Canada. It won't be easy for Rosberg on Sunday as his teammate Lewis Hamilton has won this race 4 times in 2007, 2010, 2012, and last year. For our picks and predictions in this race, we'll go with Hamilton to win on Sunday. Click